Today I'm going to be trying out Autoglym's Polar Blast. It's actually a snow foam and it's used for a pre-wash. You use it before you wash your car, but today I'm going to be using it as my main wash, as I just really want to freshen up the wife's car. Let's see how well it performs and what score I will give it once I've used it. Okay, I'm going to let that soak now, so I'm going to have a brew, and after I've had that, I'm going to go back out and I'm going to wash it off. Okay, so what score shall I give Autoglym's Polar Blast? Well, let's have a look how well it performed. After drying the car off, I was left with a very nice clean car that looked very shiny. I did have to use on the wheels a shampoo to get the muck off, but the pre-wash really helped and the wheels cleaned up with ease. For the rest of the car though, Autoglym Polar Blast worked very well. So, what score shall I give Autoglym's Polar Blast? Well, it is a pre-wash. I did use it as a main wash. So as a pre-wash, I'm going to give it a solid 9 out of 10. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll catch you on the next one.